Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel. Cold winter evenings are better with a cup of hot aromatic tea, and you can help this treat with a tender, colorful lokum, aka Turkish Delight. So let's start cooking. First, squeeze the juice from 4 oranges into a saucepan. And from 1 lemon. Add 350 ml of water. Turkish Delight traditionally is thickened with starch, but we will take 25 grams of agar-agar, stir it, add 450 grams of sugar. If desired, add food coloring. Bring it to a boil and leave over medium heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After that, add almonds, cashews or other favorite nuts in the syrup. Remove from heat and let it cool to room temperature. Meanwhile, prepare the mold. It can be covered with cling film to make it easier to unmold dessert. Cover and refrigerate until it thickens, preferably overnight. When the Turkish Delight has set, take it out of the mold onto a board. And cut it into squares. They can be tossed in powdered sugar, but I prefer coconut flakes. Turkish Delight is ready. Have a nice tea. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.